Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today it's time for one of my favorite videos to film, and that is Boxycharm. I know this is super late. I am sorry. I'm gonna keep using this as an excuse every time, but again, it's just really been hard for me to film because I do rely on natural light to film, and I do work all day, so it's been hard for me to film. I did get this box about a week ago, so it is definitely late, but, or me putting it up is definitely late. But I'm also gonna be doing it a little bit differently this month. I usually try on the products as I go. This month I've already put all the products on, and I'm just gonna talk about them as I go and show you what they look like while we talk about them. You'll have to let me know down below if that's something you like, or if you just want me to unbox it, or you want me to go back to the normal try on as I go kind of thing. This month, the theme is Afterglow. Boxycharm is $21 a month if you didn't already know that, and you get 5 to 6 deluxe size to full size products every month. A lot of the times they are cruelty free. I have had a few that are not, but usually I get lucky and they are. But this theme is Afterglow. And my paper did come ripped, but that's okay. And then it does have all the products listed on the back. We will go over those as we go along. So the first thing in the box is the only thing I have not tried, and this is the Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. So I will use this at some point and let you guys know. It is sealed, it looks like. Yeah, it's sealed, so I can't smell it, but it does say delivered fresh, ultra gentle facial cleansing gel that washes away surface oil, impurities, pollution, residue, and makeup while nourishing skin with honey and hyaluronic acid. So that's awesome. I got lipstick on it somehow. Cute. Okay, so there's this. This retails for 22 doll hairs. It is 3.4 ounces. I do believe this is full size. I will list everything down below like I always do. Whether or not it's full size, cruelty free, all that stuff is listed down below, and then with the box value. Next thing in here is this guy. I was super excited about this. This is the No Pore Bloom Primer by Touch in Soul. I did see a spoiler for this, so I knew I was getting it, but I was so excited because I've been wanting to try this for a long time. I was actually going to purchase it myself, and then I found out I was getting it, so I didn't. But honestly, it's not gonna break the bank even if you did purchase it. It's $18, so not terrible, not great. I mean, it's definitely not a drugstore price, but it's definitely not as expensive as like a Smashbox or Cover FX primer. And this is really good. I used it today. I just use it in my T-zone area. Like I use it, not even my whole T-zone. I just use it under the eyes and then on the nose where I have large pores. And I definitely saw an immediate, what is that called? Blurring effect. That's what I want. I saw immediate blurring effect, and I haven't had this on too long, just while I've been doing my makeup. So let's see. Let's take a look. Yeah, it still looks pretty good. My makeup looks a little cakey today. I think it might be the combination of this powder and the foundation that I was talking about loving last month. I think it's not loving me this month. But this actually is still looking pretty good, so I like that for sure. So this is a winner in my book. Next thing in here is this guy. Super pretty packaging. This is the Pretty Vulgar highlighter, not concealer, and it says Shimmering Swan Highlighter in the shade Glow Up. I don't know if there's different shades or not that you can get this month, or if they even have different shades. This retails for $32. Really pretty. It looks like this. I am wearing it on the cheek. It's not, and on my nose too. It's not the most blinding highlight in the world, but it is pretty. I'm gonna put a little bit more on just to see if I can get it be a little more blinding. So it's definitely buildable, but it's not gonna give you that like, oh my gosh, wow, blinding, super effective, great look, which is what I usually go for, but it is pretty. So it's more of a subtle highlight. You definitely can build it up. Like my nose looks pretty highlighted right now, but as far as on the cheek goes, I have applied a few layers. It's pretty, it's definitely there. It's just not like bam in your face there. It's like this light is. You just kind of like adjust there. Is that better? Maybe? Okay, we're moving on. So it is $32. Is it worth $32? No, not in my opinion, but it is good highlight and I do like it. Next thing in here is this guy. This is by Tristique. This retails for $25. Ooh, $25. This is a 2-in-1 Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon. I do like that it has like a primer in the end here. It's just a little baby guy, but they do give you a lip primer. There's a decent amount in there. I used this today. I am wearing it on my lips. That's why my eyes and lips don't really match, because I wanted to try this product for you. This is what the product looks like. I always think when I get Tristique products, they're gonna look like this, like the packaging, but they never do. But that's what it looks like there. I will swatch it. Looks like that. It's more of a berry. I thought upon the packaging it was gonna be a little more pink, but it is berry. The packaging is super cool. It is magnetic, so it does, I don't know if you noticed, but like if I let go of it, it's still gonna lock. So that's really cool. I really like the packaging. The color's pretty. I'm not crazy about the formula. It took me several passes to get it to this capacity, and opacity is the word I wanted there. And it's still not like super great. Like it's still a little patchy in areas. And I feel like you can tell right there, it's already starting to feather. So this is definitely something you want a lip liner with, which I kind of thought with this product, it was kind of supposed to be like a lip liner, but I could be wrong on that. It doesn't retail, or it doesn't say it is one, but it looks like a lip liner to me, so I just kind of assumed it would be the same. But I'm not crazy about this. It feels really nice, the color's pretty, and I like the packaging a lot, but I just don't think the formula is great. It does look a little patchy in areas and streaky, and it's definitely feathering, so don't love it. Next product is this, and this is the last product in the box. This is the why am I thinking about this? This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is my favorite mascara of all time. I've tried a lot. Nothing can touch this mascara. I do also really like the It Cosmetics Superhero mascara. Like it stays on my dresser most of the time, so I can use it, but I love this. I was running out. I am actually out of this, so I was super excited that we got one in the box this month. This retails for $24, so it is pricey for a mascara, but this is one of the few products that is up there in price that I would say is worth it, because I love the way this looks. Like I am wearing it today, and I just feel like it's one of those mascaras that gets every lash, and it's super black. Ignore this spot up here. For some reason, there's like a patch on my eye today that will not blend, so sorry. But it's super black. It definitely like hugs every lash and makes them very voluminous, and it's like one of those mascaras that you can be not super careful with, and it's not gonna get everywhere. And I just love this mascara. Like it makes my lashes look super long. You can get away with like not wearing falsies. If you're somebody who wears falsies a lot, you can get away with not with this mascara. So love this mascara. So quick little recap, because that was the end of this video already, and we're only at like 8 minutes, which is crazy for a video for me, especially one of these, because this usually takes me like half an hour. So again, let me know down below if you guys like this style of me trying on the products and then talking about them. If you want me to go back to doing the try on as I go, or if you just want me to unbox it and be surprised, let me know. Tristique, not a fan. I did not like this lip pencil, but that's okay. Can't win them all. I don't know about this toner yet, or cleanser, excuse me. I'm not like super into cleansers, so it's not something that I'm like hip on, I guess, but I will definitely try it. The highlighter is okay. It's pretty, but it's subtle. It might be a pretty like wedding day highlighter maybe, which I do have coming up, so that could be pretty. The mascara I adore. I love this mascara. It's my favorite. And the primer is really cool. I don't know how long this like wears. Like I don't know if my face is gonna be smooth all day or not, but so far so great. I love it. So that was this box. This is the first box I've had in a while that didn't have a palette in it, but that's okay. I know next month we'll probably be getting one, because it is one of the Boxyluxy, is it Boxyluxy or Boxylux? I am not sure, but it's one of those months next month. So I'm sure we'll get a palette in that, because it is a higher end box. It is $50 opposed to $21. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to let me know down below how you guys want me to do these videos here on out. I would love to hear your feedback, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.